Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican pickled onions. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large red onions, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need a few pimento berries and a Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic Jamaican flavor. This simple method ensures a delicious, tangy condiment perfect for various meals. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Now let's prepare the star of our dish, the red onions. Carefully slice 2 large red onions into thin rings or half-moons. The thinner the slices, the quicker they will pickle and absorb the flavors. Once sliced, gently separate the rings and place them into a clean, heat-proof glass jar. Remember to add a few whole pimento berries and a thinly sliced Scotch bonnet pepper for that signature Jamaican heat and aroma. Next, we'll create the pickling brine that gives these onions their incredible taste. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt until everything is well mixed. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Do not boil the brine, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the warm brine over the sliced onions and spices in the jar. Make sure all the onions are completely submerged in the liquid to ensure even pickling. Let the jar cool to room temperature, then seal it tightly and refrigerate for at least 24 hours before serving. The flavors will deepen over time. For other great kitchen deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious Jamaican pickled onions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.